See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hello, this word is scary, no? This word, it is scary. Just imagine, say, you come from one village, Fulani Esme, enter there, buy everybody, drive them come out. Those who they drive come out, they run go IDP camps. Another place, another place. After many years of crying, international organization come carry the matter. Different organizations, they write about the matter. They write. Pressure groups, locals. One day, Donald Trump call here, call say, see, this thing must stop. Before you know it, Nigeria sent delegates. They also send their own. They say Nigeria government come give them data where they go strike for Nigeria. Before you know it, come here want to say they paid some lobbyists. Make they change the narratives. Say they know they persecute Christians for Nigeria. All of a sudden, the latest what they see today, they say Donald Trump's action was not actually because there is Christian genocide in Nigeria. Now because of war man, screwdriver seller for Onitsha, he report now Donald Trump take action, bomb Sokoto. It's not scary. This word is it not be Nigeria said this word. Because this report, whether they quote so, now New York Times. And the man be this. They say now get the organization where they report by. If you hear by for Adamawa, you go right down. If you hear by for Benue, you go right down. You know they go there according to the news. So can see now the cable carry the news. You know be they get the news, so they just quoted New York Times. I can't go New York Times. As he say, the right and they say screwdriver salesman behind Trump's airstrikes in Nigeria. When I saw this, I said, lobbyist 9M to also push a narrative say there is nothing like Christian genocide. Few days, screwdriver salesman where they Onitsha. Now they behind Trump's airstrikes just to discredit the entire Christian genocide. See, they call carry the matter narrow. Go southeast for Onitsha. Oh, this one is scary. This one is scary. For this class, I go show you many reports. I don't even know say this man dey exist. I go show you many reports. I go show you. They say that this man, now be this, the cable. New York Times, how a screwdriver trader in Onitsha influenced Trump's missile strike in Nigeria. If you read this one, you don't read it. Go to say, now even give data to Trump. No be Nigeria government again. Lobbyist. This is the work of a lobbyist. You see, Anna? Hope you are following me. Now be this. Now, we will see how New York Times write the pains of people, diluted it, water it down to one report for Onitsha. They call it verified. They say the man name, now be Emeka Umwe Balasi. Please pardon me. Now 56 years old man. Location Onitsha, Anambra State. His work now he gets more tool shop, sells screwdrivers and wrenches. Also, founder of Ita Society, runs it from his home. They go use this man home where you no even get office, no get staff to neutralize the cry of the middle belt people. What would they see? The more than 500 IDPs, they Benue. The governor acknowledge. International organization did donate. So now this man, I produce them, make them go that place. Oh my God. They say the wife is a board member. Be like say they register the organization to be writing buying of Christians whenever you hear say buy Christian. But they know they go there. This is the man whose work was treated as expert research in Washington. You know say New York Times, here and Donald Trump na like this. Now they call use them. Come find one person like that when no make meaning. See na data he use. What he claims, they say na he claim this one, na the man claim this thing. He claims that since 2009, 125,000 Christians have been killed in Nigeria. 20,000 churches destroyed in 60 years. There is a plan to Islamize Nigeria. Christianity faces extinction. How he got his data? They say he told the NYT himself, that is New York Times, say he often does not verify data. That means na lie. Nothing like that. They know they buy Christians for middle belt. He uses Google searches. Nigeria media reports where they get his information. Christians advocacy groups. You go just enter Google now say, did they click Christian today? Where they buy Christian? Just understand, you call right now. They say, they go there. Hey. He rarely travels to attack locations. He assumes victims' religion. He assume them. Even though say na Muslim and they buy now, you go just assume say na Christian. All this thing for me na to discredit Christian genocide in Nigeria based on location. Hey. His own method. If an attack happens where it thinks many Christians live, he assumes the victims are Christians. On the number of churches, ask how he got 100,000 churches. His answer, Google it. So So if you Google it, you see how for Google, you go write down. So when you say una Google around, una see where you get the information, who report am before am? Because me, I'm a Christian. And they assume say, na my community, they go kpai everybody. All of a sudden, they want silence all those victims, say they no kpai the true violence. They pay where they are shoot. Okay? Why this matters internationally? It's because we are cited by Ted Cruz. Ted Cruz don't cite many data. I go show you. Calm down. Riley Moore we don't visit by himself. Chris Smith. Now, they say using his data, Donald Trump declared Nigeria a country of particular concern. Now only data spoke of Christian genocide, threatening military action, approved airstrikes in Sokoto State on Christmas Day. I don't know whether I don't hear about Philip Emeagwali. Philip Emeagwali talk say he no be the person wey make news. Now they last forever. Now the news writer. If you want your matter to be written, make you write am by yourself. No allow person write am for you. If you want to deliver a message, go and deliver it yourself. Otherwise, they go change am for you. And they go for you now. Something where you see the evidence till today, you can see the reality wetin happen. Go to IDPs, go account. See na the man, na him make Donald Trump. New York Times, una do. Wetin I come do? I enter grok. I said, aside this man, when they talk so, give me as many as you can. Individual or organization where don't do research concerning Christian genocide in Nigeria. We are not say entire Nigeria because it's not happening in South. But the people of the Middle Belt, na Nigerians they dey. So if you are say in Nigeria, it's in Nigeria. Christian genocide in Nigeria, no missing at the entire Nigeria. In Nigeria, inside Nigeria. I call ask Grok. I don't get time to waste. Look at Grok. The first one said, now Professor Joash Ojo Amaputon, the correct INEC chairman. Correct INEC chairman authored a 2020 legal brief titled Legal Brief, Genocide in Nigeria. The implications for international community. You know, say, I have a video on this channel. 2020, detailed. Go see picture, go see data, go see everything. Go and check the report. It's there online. Just Google it. They say now only chairman. Then make Trump take us up. Another organization are Open Doors. I don't want to waste your time because it's plenty. Another one, International Christian Concern. Another one, Genocide Watch. Before Trump pronounce it to now talk, no be after. Aid to the church in need. U.S. Commission on International Religious Freedom. This is not on German. No. Ted Cruz also talk individual. Ewelina individual. Baroness Caroline Cos. Baroness Humanitarian Aid Relief Trust. All those ones. Now the chairman, now they depend on. Very scary place. Christian Solidarity Worldwide. Another one, Archbishop Ignatius Kangama, Reverend Stevie Baba Panya, Bishop Matthew Kuka. We are talking about people where don't talk for this matter before. Anywhere we will talk, help us speak. No be after later. Kuka said there's nothing like that. Christians Association of Nigeria, Rara Logan, Brigadier Gabriel, Amimek, all party parliamentary group for international freedom of religion or belief. Only London, Emmanuel Ogegbe, so many. Me I know they read again. See another one. Now Grok. I the more the computer before Trump. All these ones go and check. They still now on the Tamano. Oh, lobbies. Don't go. They show workers. Oh my God, this one they painful. Not be the death of people even they painful. They slap you. They say they no slap you. Now they pay to pass. Shut up your mouth. They no slap you. That man why no they there why they lie. But people who talk away they there. They no cite them. They no report all these ones. It's not that man. This one, this, yeah. I just enter Reverend Ezekiel's page because I dey rush for this class. For instance, this one is recent. He even tagged Donald Trump. He tagged Donald Trump. They say now only a man because somebody want to cause tribalism or to divide Nigeria. That's what I say. Whoever motivated New York Times made a go that route to divide the country. That's what I say. There are more in Nigeria. Now the man from Onitsha generate this picture with AI. Okay, continue. This one continue. This one now then be this where they did Nigeria. Call do fact find this before the strike. Now the man also talk about this man Jackson where they call later release. Now the man I talk about Christian persecution. They say now you, They say now you cause am. Now don't say am so. Just me a rush. Because show and say sometimes say this word is scary. They fit buy person. They rewrite the buy. They fit say another thing. It's like in those days we hear say they catch some people, they buy them. Innocent people, they will put gun for where the day. They say armed robbers. They go rewrite the story for you. What do you think? Drop up a comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.